Michelle Unger here from Quality PC Training, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to create an animated intro slide in PowerPoint. So the first thing we're going to do is we have our PowerPoint opened up. We're going to place a new slide in here. So I'm going to put a blank slide in here, and then the first thing I'm going to do is add a shape. So I'm going to go to Insert, I'm going to go to Shapes, and I'm going to put a rectangle over the top of this, like that. And then you can choose any color that you want to. So if you wanted to change that shape to orange or black or whatever color you want to, totally fine to do that. The next step here is we're going to add some text. So I'm going to use word art, but you can use a text box. I like to use this word art because it looks like a nice cutout type feature. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that. Let's see if I can get that to work. Like so. Okay, so I'm going to add some word art here. So I'm going to go to Insert, Word Art. I'm going to choose this white. So I'm just going to type the words welcome. So I do have my caps lock on because I think it looks really good when you do that. And I'm going to make this a bit bigger, maybe go all the way across here like so. And I'm also going to make the font a bit bigger as well. So I'm going to make this about 96. Actually, maybe we'll go to, 96 is good. So now I've got that. I would like to align this to the center. So I'm going to align center, and then I'm going to duplicate this because I want to be able to use the other part of it. Oops, don't want to duplicate that. I just want to duplicate the text box. So let's try that again. So click on the text box, Control D. Perfect. All right, now I'm going to move that underneath here, and I'm going to change the words to our presentation. All right, I'm going to make that a little bit smaller. All right, looks pretty good. And I think that's aligned as well. So I'll just make sure all this is aligned. Oh, didn't want to align that to the middle. I wanted to align it to the center. So let's try that again. There we go. All right, so now that we have this, we're going to go ahead and combine these shapes. So we're going to click on the first text box, the second text box. So you're going to hold your Shift key down when you do this so that you have them both selected, and then also the shape that you created behind it. So you've got all three selected. You're going to go to Shape Format, and then you're going to go to Merge Shapes and Combine. So you see now what it does is it combines all of that into one shape. Now, the next step is to insert a video. So I'm going to go to Insert and Video. I'm going to look for a stock video. So the stock video I would like to find is something to do with fall. So I'm going to type in leaves, and I can choose any one of these that I want to. I'm going to pick that one. All right, so now that you have that in the front, you want to make sure you have that selected. You're going to go to Video Format, and you want to send this backward like that. And when you do that, now you can go ahead and press play, and you have an animated intro slide. Thanks for watching.